Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be using a mini dash to make our breakfast. I'm going to show you a fast, easy way that you can make a simple breakfast. When money's tight and you don't have a lot of ingredients, I'm going to show you how to use what you got and make a delicious breakfast using a mini waffle maker. Let's get started. Now we're going to make us sort of like an egg McMuffin. So if you've got some flour, cheese, eggs, and sausage, I'm going to show you how to take it and turn it into this. In today's economy, we've got to figure out how to make our food better using what we've got. And now before we get started, I wanted to share with y'all this cleaner I found at the Dollar General in the dollar aisle. Yes, you can still find it for $1 there. And this right here cleans so good. I just wanted to share that with y'all. Look how good that cleaner works on a stovetop. Now we're going to refill our olive oil bottle. I bought this to save money also. Instead of buying the canned sprays to spray my skillet, we got this from Amazon. And you can either pour your olive oil out or use the mist sprayer on it. It's just as good as buying that canned spray. And this right here has already probably saved me around $20 just since I've had it. So I don't have to buy that canned cooking spray. And now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to fry us 3 eggs in our iron skillet. I put just a little bit of butter in my olive oil. And we're going to crack 3 eggs in the skillet. Now, you probably could go ahead and cook these on your mini dash too, but I'm already going to be cooking my waffles and my sausage. So I thought I'd go ahead and just get my eggs started in this iron skillet. But now, next time, I will wait and cook my eggs in my mini dash just like I do the waffles and the sausage. Now I'm just going to add a little salt, and then we're going to add a little black pepper to our eggs. And we're just going to fry them all the way done in my skillet. Now we're going to start getting the waffle maker mix ready. I put around a half a cup of almond flour. Altogether we'll use 2 eggs. I'm using around a half a cup of mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper, and a little bit of heavy cream. And now we're just going to give it a good mix till I get it all combined well. It's sort of thick. It's almost like pancake mix. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of heavy cream. Now if you wanted to use milk, you could also use milk or even coconut milk if you had that, or almond milk. So now we're just going to take around 1/4 of a cup of our mixture and go ahead and we're going to put it on our waffle maker. But first we're going to spray it with a little olive oil. And now we're just putting our waffle mix on our waffle maker, the mini dash. We're going to close it and it will not take long. You can see it's already cooking. It only takes these things around probably around 3 minutes, and they're done. They turn out crispy and golden brown. If you want it any darker, just cook it a little bit longer, but that's how we like ours. So now we're going to get all these cooked, and then we'll cook our sausage. One. So now it's time to put our sausage on. I just measure out probably around 4 tablespoons of sausage and mash it down on the mini dash, and then use a knife or something to push down on the top, and it'll shape your sausage the same as your mini dash. It don't take long to cook that sausage all the way through. It took probably around 4 to 5 minutes. And look at that pretty piece of sausage. Looks just like a waffle. So now that we've got our little waffles made that we're going to be using for bread, we're fixing to make them up. And there's our sausage. And we fried the eggs in the skillet. Now you probably can do the eggs too on the waffle maker. But now we're going to make us sort of like an egg McMuffin. We're going to put just a little bit of mayonnaise on each one. And now if you didn't put salt and pepper in your mixture, you could add your salt and pepper at this point. But I put it in my mix. So now I'm just going to put an egg, a piece of sausage, a little cheese. Now these right here would be even great to make for a freezer staple that you could put up in the freezer. Wrap them in a saran wrap or aluminum foil, and your husband could just take these, pop them in the microwave, and have an egg McMuffin. So we're going to put 2 eggs on this one. And look what a mini dash waffle maker can make you. And it only took me probably 15 minutes. I'm actually going to take this one and just wrap it in this paper towel, put it on his plate, and he can zap it in the microwave whenever he gets ready. You could even put you a little layer of avocado on these. Let y'all see what a double looks like compared to a single. But there you have it. Something easy and simple to make with the little mini dash waffle makers. When they first came out, a lot of people bought them, and I bet you have them stuck in a cabinet in a corner somewhere. So dig them out and make you some Egg McMuffins.